Good morning, you guppies. The sun's about to come up, and who's here with their first cup of coffee talking shit this early in the morning? Jesus, do you see the sludge that goes on the bottom of my coffee cup? What I want to talk about today is the fucking audacity that people have to approach freelance creatives and ask them to work for fucking free.
Shoot this motherfucker!
Look at the light test, and then when I nail it.
Sharks in order.
And then to top it off, not only are they asking you to work for free, they're also asking you to read an entire book that will take 20 minutes explaining why they don't have money to pay you. First off, if you're one of these people that approach freelancers and creatives and ask them to work for free when you are in the creative field yourself,
Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, you're cool, and fuck you, I'm out.
fuck you, and fuck you. We're in the middle of a pandemic. Everybody's income has been cut. I know people that are working 6 jobs when they should be working 1. And then you have the audacity to approach people like us with this bright, shiny, golden ticket opportunity to work for you for fucking nothing. Why the fuck would anybody want to do that? If you don't have money to pay the guy that's doing your visual effects that you want lightning and explosions and teleportations from, if you can't afford to pay him, who the fuck is going to be watching your film in the first place? Now, I understand that some people just don't quite understand how the creative process works. They don't understand how many hours goes into creating a shot list or trying to come up with color palettes, and they don't understand the necessity to go out and location scout. So I know where all the lights are coming from. So I know what lights to bring. So I know what shots to plan. So I can start figuring out how I want this project to look color-wise. Do you think any of that takes 5 fucking minutes?
Poker with the Joker, boy, let's keep it kosher. Yeah, mama, your son finna go supernova. Keep your focus, really, I just might spaz out in this place. Got that war paint on my face. Just been running around in this race, feels like I've been running in place. Now I got hella bling, got hella rings. I'm ready now, sitting every team. Y'all slept on me, that's hella dreams. Don't take time, take everything. You trying to shut me out, it's getting blatant. Yeah, I come and see you, now no hesitation. Yeah,
There's plenty of people I want to work with, and I know I could never afford to hire them maybe for a gig that I have, but I'm going to keep tabs on them, keep touch with them, engage with their content, you know what I mean, and try to build a rapport ahead of time. That way when the money does come in and I have the opportunity to where someone says, you know, do you know anybody for this? Well, yeah, but I'm not going to approach these people until I can fucking pay them, or pay them something. Everybody's broke right now. Nobody expects everybody to have all these extravagant $10 million budgets for a fucking Instagram ad that you're running to sell your skincare. I'm going to give you one major tip that I always operate by when I'm going through inquiries and people hitting me up. The second I read the words low budget or no budget, I stop reading. Every moment I waste reading the paragraph upon paragraph upon paragraph, wasting my fucking time telling me why they can't pay me, is time that I could put somewhere else into a project, finish it, and make money out of that.
Business bad? Fuck you, pay me. Oh, you had a fire? Fuck you, pay me. Place got hit by lightning, huh? Fuck you, pay me.
Just as a disclaimer, if you come to me with this bullshit, I will never fucking work with you. Because what you're essentially saying is, yeah, you like my work, you see how many hours I'm putting into it, and you yet have the audacity to disrespect me with an undervalued, underpaid, or no paid job offer to do all of that work to make you look good. No, you can go fuck yourself. If you're one of those people that desperately want to work with somebody that you know your broke ass can't afford, you need to be approaching this situation and this creative from a completely different perspective. You can't pay them. What can you provide to them? I can't pay you, but I can do color. I can shoot. I can do this. Do you need any help? Because I would love to have you on this project, but I can't afford to hire you for it. But since I know you direct short films and music videos and whatever it is that you do, this is what I have to offer. Do you have any creative projects that I could come on and work for you on trade? You do this for me, I'll show up and shoot this stuff the next time you need a second cameraman. How fucking hard is that? Instead of just being a mooch in somebody's inbox asking for a free fucking handout that you know takes 2 days worth of compositing work. If you're somebody that's just starting out in film and photography, let me give you the most important advice anyone will give you at this moment. There has never been a higher demand for content creators than there is now. Everyone is stuck the fuck at home. They can't go out, they can't go party, they can't go shopping. Everybody's resorting to taking their shit online. This is personal trainers. This is the fucking makeup company. This is hair product company. Everybody had to take their marketing campaigns indoor and find a way to appeal to people that are stuck at home. What do you think that means? It means that the demand for content creators has never been higher. You turning down a job offer from some asshole that's offering to not pay you is not going to be a missed opportunity whatsoever, because every company on this planet right now needs product photographers and product video people. It's a fucking fact. Rather than take that time responding to people or reading their fucking messages insulting you, asking you to work for no pay, turn that time and figure out something new to do that will give you a marketing edge over somebody else's product video. That's what the fuck I've been doing. If I'm gonna do it for free, I'm gonna do it for me. Fuck that. I hope you take some of this advice to heart and stop undervaluing your work. Start surrounding yourself by people and brands and businesses that fit your vibe. Doesn't matter if it's Will Smith making this offer to you. If they're in your inbox offering you a job for no pay, especially at a time like now, that is somebody you should steer clear of at all costs. Those are the kinds of people that will complicate your projects. Those are the kind of people that will steal your project. Those are the kind of people that will forget to put your name on the project. Your best bet is to invest the time that you would have wasted working for free, working for yourself. Learn something new, come up with some inspiration, and invest that time into yourself. You can't even hire someone. The whole premise to hire is for a job. Hiring means paying. I've been doing this shit for a fucking decade. You got the nerve! When I got here, I got dicked over by Ralph Lauren of all companies. I got fucked over by that Louis Garcia guy that didn't pay me for 2 months. I almost fucking starved. I lost almost 20 pounds and was living off a jar of peanut butter for over a month. You think I'm even going to align myself or even entertain a conversation with any more motherfuckers like that? Get the fuck out of my inbox and tell these motherfuckers to stay the fuck out of yours. I'm Sean Cooper, and if you like what I have to say when I come here to run my big fucking mouth, be sure to hit the thumbs up button, tap subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon so you can get notified when I come here to talk all this shit about directors that ain't directing shit because they can't fucking pay their staff. See y'all next week. Honeys.
I'm not gonna wake up feeling happy about myself. I'd rather throw up all my feelings on the shelf, so I go